Find the coefficient of the x to the 5 term in the expansion of x minus 3y to the 8. So I need my expansion here, and to the 8th, that's big enough that I don't want to do Pascal's triangle. I'm going to look at my binomial theorem. In general, my binomial theorem says my a plus b to the n is a sum from k equals 0 to n of n choose k, and then a to the, and this one I'm going to flip I'm going to use a to the k and b to the n minus k. It doesn't matter how you have those exponents because of the symmetry of the binomial coefficients, which is a really nice property, so we don't have to worry about memorizing the proper order of those exponents. So if I now apply this to the x minus 3y to the 8, this is the sum of k equals 0 to a of 8 choose k, and then x to the k, and then b is negative 3y to the 8 minus k. Now we're just looking for the x to the 5 term, and so looking here we see, oh, then k needs to be 5. I just care about the term where k is 5. So that's 8 choose 5, x to the 5, and then negative 3y to the 8 minus 5, which is 3. And now it's just a matter of simplifying this. So 8 choose 5 is 8 factorial over 5 factorial, 3 factorial. I've got a negative 3 to the 3, which is a negative 27. Negative 27. X to the 5, y cubed. So now we can simplify here. So 8 factorial is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. And then I'll stop there because I've got a 5 factorial down there. And then 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1 times the negative 27, x to the 5, y to the 3. And notice now the 5 factorial cancels, and 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, which cancels with that 6 up there. And so now I've got 8 times 7, which is 56, times the negative 27. And that's, what is that? That's 1,512 times the x to the 5, y cubed. So this question asks find the coefficient of the x to the 5 term. The coefficient is simply that, 1,512.